Storm surges and tsunamis can kill people and destroy property.
Hi, I'm John LaRue. I'm the famous author of Wave Goodbye, Simple Tsunami Mitigation. I published this book in 2017, propounding the theory that we could stop storm surges and tsunamis at sea by using gas.
A storm surge or a tsunami is merely ocean water being pushed forward into water that's already there. That water will in turn push the water ahead of it forward. If a tsunami is pushing all the water ahead 10 meters at a depth of 4,000 meters, it will push 10 meters of water 4,000 meters forward at the shore. If a cubic kilometer of water ends up on land, every lateral line on the seafloor between the quake and the shore had 1 billion tons of water cross over it. Take any kind of pump like a spray bottle or a water flosser and compare the amount of flat water moved versus soda water moved over the same time. If your experiment showed, like mine did, that 50 grams of water movement was mitigated by 1 gram of gas, imagine what 50 tons of gas could mitigate. I wish I had time to thank everybody who's donated to my GoFundMe campaign. Wait a minute, I do. Thanks, Paul. Thanks, Kate. Thanks, Shige. Thanks, Connie. I contend that tragedies like the Indian Ocean and Fukushima tsunamis can be prevented in the future. Even the damage caused by Superstorm Sandy, as well as the minimal damage inflicted by the Carnival Vista's wake, can be prevented with a broad application of this method of wave mitigation. I'm offering $1,000 to the first person who can show an example of added gas not mitigating wave energy. Please forward this video to anyone who might be able to debunk my theory. Now, if you think my premise is valid, or perhaps that it's just worth a serious look, you might want to invest in a company that produces liquefied nitrogen. If you have any interest in what I'm doing here, please contact me at tsunamistopper@aol.com. Thank you.